and to understand that, you know, I don't need to tell hairdressers and barbers the power of the work that they do, because it's really powerful, and they know that. So, yeah, that was the very first moment. And then I always say this: it was like that moment when you had like a birthday party or something, and you've like made all these preparations, and like 5 minutes to go, no one's there, and you're like. And that was the feeling of the very first day that we cut people's hair, and it was in the city in Perth, and I was sitting there, and I was like, I don't know if people are going to turn up for this, like, you know. And we put the word out, and we knew that the word had been put out. And the first ever person who ever got a haircut was a guy sitting on the pavement, and he had 2 sort of shopping bags. And I had to, like, I guess, muster up the courage of asking him, was he there for the haircuts? Because I don't, like, if he wasn't, then, you know, I could have offended him or something like that. Or he could have just been sitting there having a break from shopping or something. But I mustered up the courage, and I said, "Oh, look, are you here for the free haircuts?" And he said, "Yeah." And he was the first ever person that ever got a haircut. And it's funny because, like, I'm not like a spiritual person, or I don't think that I am. But when I look back, I'm kind of like, was that like my uncle making a sign to say, this is what you're doing is right? I don't know, but it was that chap was going for a job interview. The next day he'd travelled for like 30 k's on a bus to come and get a haircut. He was sleeping in a tent out the back of Wanneroo. He'd had a previous successful business in Darwin, and unfortunately he was in a situation there where he was getting a free haircut in a car park, you know. And I think that was a big eye opener for a lot of us, because we were like, if people are going to travel that far, and if they're going to take it, if it's going to be that serious, like, then we're onto something. And from then on, it just kind of snowballed. And here we are today, I guess.